What if I told you a butterfly isn't really colorful? Its wings don't just reflect light, they engineer it, using nanostructures smaller than the wavelength of color itself. And today, we're zooming in far enough to watch that magic happen. In this video, we explore one of nature's most delicate but astonishing creations, the butterfly. At first glance, it appears simple, a small, fragile insect drifting through the air. But under the lens of a macro camera and microscope, the butterfly reveals an extraordinary world of biological engineering, optical mastery, and evolutionary precision. Today, we will look closely at its eyes, antennas, proboscis, and wings, each a masterpiece designed for survival, perception, and beauty. A butterfly's eyes are compound eyes, made of thousands of tiny units called ommatidia. Each ommatidium captures light from a slightly different angle, giving the butterfly an enormous field of view. While humans see three primary colors, butterflies can detect ultraviolet patterns invisible to us. These UV markings act like hidden signals on flowers, guiding the butterfly directly to nectar pathways. Under the microscope, each ommatidium looks like a miniature hexagonal lens, forming a mosaic that allows rapid motion detection, essential for escaping predators. A butterfly's antennae function like advanced chemical sensors. They detect scent molecules in the air with remarkable accuracy, allowing butterflies to locate food, identify other butterflies, and even sense appropriate locations for laying eggs. Each antenna is covered with microscopic sensory hairs. Under magnification, these hairs resemble intricate fibers connected to nerve endings, forming a highly sensitive detection system. The butterfly's proboscis is a remarkable feeding tool. It is a long, flexible tube that stays coiled like a spring when not in use. When the butterfly feeds, internal muscles uncoil the proboscis and form it into a precise drinking straw. Under the microscope, tiny grooves along the tube guide liquid upward using capillary action. This allows the butterfly to drink nectar, tree sap, and even minerals from moist soil. Butterfly wings are masterpieces of natural microengineering. What appears as smooth color is actually a surface made of thousands of overlapping scales. Each scale is a thin plate with microscopic ridges and nanostructures. These nanostructures manipulate light, bending, scattering, and reflecting it in complex ways. That's why many butterfly colors are not pigments, but structural colors. Under magnification, metallic blues, shimmering greens, and shifting violets reveal their true nature, light interacting with nanoscale architecture. The scales also serve practical purposes. They regulate heat, repel water, and help the butterfly escape predators by shedding easily when grabbed. In extreme close-up, the wing looks like a living carpet made of colorful tiles, precise, delicate, and incredibly organized. The butterfly may live only a short life, but every part of its body reflects extraordinary design and purpose. From optical engineering in its wings to chemical sensors in its antennae, it is a creature shaped by millions of years of adaptation. Through the lens, we are reminded that even the smallest beings contain worlds of complexity waiting to be discovered.